Ladies and gents, welcome. It is January, drizzly weather, and we are in Borough Market. This will be just a short video. Today I'm out filming 10-15 minute videos for the time while I'm in India. So I keep the algorithm happy while I'm gone and post here and there to remain active on YouTube. When I'm back to London, we are back to long format videos. Today is Thursday, around 2 p.m. now. Let's see how busy it is. It is busy. Look how big that's Mama Lemon with her babies right there. Golden candy beetroot. That's the first time I'm seeing such thing as I think. Let's go closer, see the mushrooms. These guys are always so busy. I don't get to show you. This is my number one. Number two. First one is duck. This is number two. Roasted duck for me.
Pasta but but you have to like it.
Roasted duck is always number one, but that beef is good too. Oh my gosh, there is a long queue. Seriously, this is the most popular thing on the market. And luckily, I never want to eat it, so I don't have to queue in a long queue like that. But if roasted duck had a long queue like that, I would definitely queue for that. What do people do with this one? I know you can make a cake with it, but what else do you do? I will not try to pronounce it. Look at these tomatoes, guys. Wow, porky pie looking good. I've never tried anything like that, but there is also sausage roll, pork pie dolly, Cornish pasties I tried. Not from this market, just from somebody actually from that area. Somebody gave it to me in the past. I'm looking to make, let's say, 3-4 videos around here today, all 10 minutes long, before I move to horse parade. I haven't been there in a long time, so today we are gonna go later on to horse parade guards and see the horses, how they are doing. It's January, everybody wrapped up, look at that. Including me, oh my goodness, I'm the most overdressed person here. Meaning I have so many layers and a thick jacket. I hate being sick, so wow, that's a long queue for something. Look! It's been a long time since I've seen these guys open. With their raclettes, but their raclette is not on today, only cheese sandwiches. So they call it a toasty raclette to the left, toasty to the right. Let's go a little bit closer. That's where the cheese is. Let me zoom in on that big pile of cheese right there. You see that? Oh, cheesy. And that's That's what a toasty looks like.
So cold. Right. I looked earlier, it was not supposed to rain until 4 or 5 p.m. Yeah. No, I looked as well,
But anyway, boys and girls, thank you so much for watching. 10 minutes is over. I don't usually do stuff like this. I don't usually do short videos like these. The minimum I do here is half an hour, 1 hour. But I'm in a hurry before India trip. I need to be posting some videos while I'm gone. And there is no internet, so it is what it is. Have to be prepared. Thank you so much. I'm gonna click out right now. And I'm gonna click back in, starting a new video immediately. See you later.